Welcome back to Cougar Chews. This week, Chef Sean and Chef Krista ruffled up some feathers and prepared a Thanksgiving meal worth celebrating. Now, it's time to see who gets chomped.
Chefs, today I made for you a white turkey in an unexpected snowstorm.
I'm not gonna lie, this wasn't my best dish. The circumstances were extremely unfortunate. Oh, sorry. But none of that matters. I'm here to win. And if my food turkeyed out on me last second, I'll just have to do it myself.
So, Sean, tell us why you're here today.
I knew this was my chance to get points from the judges. I needed to go full on America's Got Talent.
I was born in a struggling third world country. I'm here today because I want to end the dehumanization of my people and prove that we're not animals.
You know, that is so brave, Sean. Where are you from?
Florida.
I don't know how to feel about Chef Sean. He's interesting. How you doing?
Well, judges, what do you have to say about Chef Sean's dish?
Well, Chef Sean, this dish reminds me of the really warm memories of my childhood when my mom would forget to feed me.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, judges. Chef Krista, what have you prepared for us today?
Judges, today I made for you a traditional turkey dinner with gravy.
Judges, any thoughts on Chef Krista's dish?
No.
I'm gonna...
So, judges, have you made your decision?
I think we have.
Then it's time to find out who's going home cold turkey.
I just lost to a guy that literally brought nothing to the table.
Chef Krista, you've been chomped.
Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. You know, this show is not even that big of a deal. It's honestly horrible. It's actually a waste of time. Like, people shouldn't be doing this. They're just wasting their time on this horrible piece of shit. But no, they don't care. They took nothing.
Cut. We can't.
This is horrible. This is actually... You know, despite what just happened, I'm happy with how it turned out. I'm proud of my performance out there. And I think I'm going to have some Thanksgiving spirit and just be thankful that was giving the chance to be in Cougar Chews. Hey, congratulations.
No.
That